Hello and welcome to the channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel before you leave. Today is May 20th, 2025. Is this the end of the traditional pharmacy as we know it? Walgreens is doubling down on automation, specifically robotic prescription filling centers, as part of a major business turnaround. While the company says this will free up pharmacists to provide better patient care, others are asking, will this lead to fewer pharmacy jobs in the future? Let's explore what's happening behind the counter. Walgreens is aggressively expanding its network of robotic micro-fulfillment centers, high-tech facilities that can process thousands of prescriptions daily using advanced automation. These robots count pills, sort medications, fill bottles, print labels, and they do it all without human error at a fraction of the time and cost. A single robotic center can serve up to 500 stores, dramatically reducing the workload at local pharmacy counters. Walgreens says the goal is to free up pharmacists' time to focus more on immunizations, medication counseling, and health screenings. This move is part of a larger cost-cutting and operational efficiency push. Walgreens has been under pressure from declining retail profits, competition from CVS, Amazon Pharmacy, and online retailers, and rising labor costs and pharmacy staffing shortages. By automating prescription fulfillment, Walgreens can reduce prescription handling costs by 20% to 30%, lower dependency on in-store pharmacy technicians, and avoid labor disputes and hiring shortages. What about pharmacists? Walgreens says automation will enhance pharmacists' roles, not replace them. But the truth is more nuanced. Yes, pharmacists will have more time for vaccinations, medication therapy management, and consultations. But back-end prescription-filling pharmacists, especially in high-volume settings, may see fewer opportunities. Roles focused solely on dispensing medication could be reduced or eliminated as robots take over those tasks. Over time, this may lead to fewer entry-level pharmacist jobs, a shift toward clinical or hybrid roles, and more pressure on pharmacy schools to adjust training programs. However, this trend isn't unique to Walgreens, CVS, and Amazon are exploring similar models. From a consumer perspective, there are clear benefits. They receive faster, more accurate prescription fills, more face time with pharmacists, and less waiting at the pharmacy. But there are also concerns. Reduced human oversight could increase risk in complex cases. Automation may depersonalize the care experience, and rural and smaller pharmacies may struggle to keep up. Still, Walgreens believes this model is key to its healthcare transformation as it pivots toward becoming a healthcare destination rather than just a retail chain. Walgreens' robotic expansion signals a larger industry shift. Fewer pharmacists may be needed at the counter. Clinical skills will be more valuable than dispensing skills, and pharmacies could resemble clinics more than retail stores. In the next decade, we may see the traditional pharmacist role vanish altogether in high-volume urban settings. Finally, Walgreens' investment in prescription-filling robots isn't just about saving time, it's about redefining the pharmacy experience. But in doing so, it may also redefine the pharmacist's role. The question is, will automation empower pharmacists or eventually replace them? What do you think about this? Leave your thoughts in the comments section. Well, that's it for now. I hope you got some value from this video, and as usual, thank you for visiting Hello Today. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Have an amazing day and see you next time.